Well, here today for your viewing pleasure, we're going to run a Schoenner steam engine. Vertical Schoenner. No, but not that one. That one. Right. I see. Now there's enough pressure in there for it to go. So let's blast off. Train's about to leave. Bit of this on here. And a bit of a flick. And she's away. It's complete with the leaking gauge glass tops. So that's to tell you, when they stop leaking, it's run out of water in the boil. Okay. Boy oh boy, did this one take some settling to get going. It had lots wrong with it. Its piston shaft was so worn that it would only work on the downstroke and it wouldn't push up. So I had to rebush that business there, make it steam tight. And in all its glory. The first one of these I've got going. There's another one there, the little fella, I don't know. This one's a 5S, 165/5S, and that one there might be a number 2. I think it looks a bit bigger for that number 1. But, I've not hooked the pump up, though I've got the gear there to work just for a bit of mesmerising motion. There's another leaking tap valve. My best effort at bending a gauge glass, but anyhow, it's working. We'll just stand back and watch this for a while. I think it might be fairly thirsty on the metho, which actually that reminds me, a little bit thirsty myself. Cheers. I don't know where I'm going to find room to put it. Anyhow, it'll go somewhere, I guess. Up there with the other verticals. Oh, you can't really see them, but there's a few there. I know that this hasn't ran since 1970, and Lord knows how many years it didn't run before that. I'll compile a bit of a list what had to be done to it, and it was quite extensive. Maybe 3 days at 5 hours a day. But it's a nice. I've seen ones in better condition, but this one's nice enough. Wonder if it'll slow down. There you go, Dennis. Yeah. A quick look at the fire before I put it away. There you go. Fairly thirsty, I'd say. And as soon as you put the fire out, it stops. Alright, 6 minutes. My longest video to date, I think. But there she is. Like a new man. Simon, how about that? Thank you. Bye.